Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Excel Geek. My name is Pinaki Das and today we are going to learn about three important functions of Excel. They are Countifs, Sumifs and Averageifs. So let's get started. As you can see, there is some data on my screen with city, item, brand, sales, expenses and profit. So let's say we want to get the sum of sales, but it should be filtered with Chennai as criteria 1 and mobiles as criteria 2. So one traditional way of doing it is apply filter. We can filter the city from here, Chennai, and again we have to apply one more filter, mobiles, in the item column. So you have to select the sales values for both the rows, and below you can see the sum. It is showing as 77,15,000. So we are not going to use this method now. So how to use the Sumifs functions, that is dynamic and it automatically updates the value. So let's write the function directly, equals to Sumifs. So you see the format that is displayed here. It is asking for the first thing as sum range. So basically the sum range is the column from where the total will be calculated. So in our case we want the sum for sales. So we'll have to select the sales column, comma. Now it asks for criteria range 1. As we see here, our criteria 1 is Chennai. So we'll have to select the city column as criteria range 1, comma. Now it asks for criteria 1. As I've already mentioned it here, it is Chennai. So we'll simply give the reference of this cell, comma. Now it asks for criteria range 2. We have one more criteria here, that is mobiles, and it lies under the item column. So we'll select the item column, comma, and now we will provide the criteria 2, that is our mobiles. Now we can end it. You can go on adding the criteria range 1 and criteria based on your requirement. You can have multiple n number of criteria. So you can see the value that is being displayed here is 77,15,000, which is absolutely correct as we have already seen it. So this is how the Sumifs function work. Now come to Averageifs. So basically there is no difference in the function apart from the name itself. You can simply copy this entire formula from here and paste it here. Only change you need to do is instead of sum we need to write average, and we got our figure. So let's test it. If we change from Chennai to Bangalore, the values are updated automatically, and if we change from mobiles to laptops also, the values are getting updated. In the Countifs function, it is basically the same with a small change. Since there will be no calculation done in terms of the total, it will just count the numbers. So in this formula we had given one sum range that will not be available in Countifs. So we will only give equals to Countifs criteria range 1 and criteria 1, exactly in the same manner as we have done in the previous two functions. So criteria range 1 is our city and criteria 1 is our Bangalore, comma, criteria range 2 is our item and criteria 2 is our laptops. We can end the function and we got the value as 2. So if you see here, for Bangalore and item as laptops, there are 2 rows. So the number is coming as 2 after counting them. So I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you have still not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and like this video and stay tuned for further updates and many more to come. Thank you very much.